Hey tea lovers, welcome back to Tea of the Week. This week we're looking at one of our newer blends, Organic Migraine Relief. This tea is spicy and minty with a delicious flavor of ginger and cinnamon. It goes great with the peppermint drink that we're going to make later in this video. But first, let's go over some ingredients. Migraine Relief is a mix of 7 potent ingredients proven to reduce and prevent migraines before they happen. Let's talk about each one and what they do for your body. First up is organic ginger root. Ginger is a known remedy for nausea, and many people can relate it to drinking ginger ale when they're sick. Ginger is great for anti-nausea, along with helping with pain relief related to migraines. Ginger also increases serotonin levels, which can help relieve blood vessel restriction, which is a prevalent cause of painful migraines. Next up is organic cinnamon. Cinnamon is a great and tasty home remedy for migraines. Consuming cinnamon helps to reduce the severity, frequency, and duration of migraines. Next up is organic peppermint. Peppermint oil is commonly used for migraines, but drinking tea with peppermint is a great way to help relax the body and provide a soothing aroma. Consuming peppermint helps to relieve muscle tension and can alleviate a migraine while it's happening. These white flowers are called organic FEVERFEW. FEVERFEW is a powerful ingredient in migraine prevention and relief. FEVERFEW's Latin name comes from the words fever reducer, and this flower has even been called a medieval aspirin. FEVERFEW helps to produce serotonin, which relaxes blood vessels and helps to relieve painful inflammation. This is organic GINKGO. GINKGO is especially useful in treating and preventing migraines caused by excessive stress. GINKGO helps to relax blood vessels, relieve stress in the body, boost antioxidants, and provide anti-inflammatory effects. Our 6th ingredient is organic catnip. That's right, the kind that cats like. Catnip is a great ingredient for relaxation as it acts as a very mild sedative and has a calming effect on the body. This can help with a migraine that is already present to assist in relaxation. And finally, our last ingredient is organic lavender. Lavender is known for its soothing aroma and calming effects. Additionally, lavender is shown to provide significant pain relief from migraines and inflammation. Now that we've gone through the ingredients, let's make a delicious drink that'll help prevent migraines before they happen. I'm going to start this recipe by making a sweet peppermint syrup with 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of fresh peppermint leaves. I'm going to bring those 3 ingredients to a low boil over medium heat, and then take them off the heat, put a lid on it for 30 minutes to let it steep, and then strain out the peppermint leaves, and that's my peppermint syrup. Next up, I'm going to make my organic migraine tea using 4 teaspoons of tea leaves and about 1.5 cups of hot water. I'm going to let this steep for about 5 minutes, and then I'll assemble my latte. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons, or however much you'd like, of the sweet peppermint syrup, then add in my migraine tea and top it off with a little bit of hot frothed oat milk. This is an absolutely delicious latte, super sweet and pepperminty, with delicious undernotes of cinnamon and ginger. Thank you so much for tuning in to Tea of the Week this week. I hope you enjoyed this episode and might give migraine relief a try or gift it to someone who might need it. Make sure you check out the links in the description below for other info, how to get to our website, and where you can purchase migraine relief. Have a great week. Hope to see you next week. Bye-bye.